Hello, travelers! Today, Travel Bee brings you to one of Sri Lanka's most beautiful railway stations, Idalgashinna. Perched at an elevation of 1,615 meters above sea level, this hidden gem lies between Happutale and Bandarawela, nestled in what locals call the Wind Gap. As morning sunlight filters through the mist, this small colonial-era railway station has been captivating travelers for generations. Each dawn paints a new masterpiece on this mountaintop, where clouds dance with the winds. Walk with me along these historic tracks. Look at this breathtaking panorama, a deep valley on one side and majestic mountains on the other. This is truly one of the most spectacular spots along Sri Lanka's upcountry railway line. As evening approaches, watch how the mist rolls in, enveloping the station in a mystical embrace. This magical phenomenon draws photographers and nature lovers from around the world. And there you have it, friends, our journey to Idalgashinna. Pro tip: visit early morning or late afternoon for the best views. The interplay of light, mist, and mountains creates pure magic during these hours. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Join us next time as we explore another hidden paradise.